what we're looking at here is a Casablanca Delta II in antique white. This one here is an older model. Very good shape, actually. Not perfect, but it's still in very good shape. Well, what did we see here with that flywheel? That is a Safe Flex flywheel. Those were discontinued in 1983. And this fan dates to November 2nd, 1985. So this was definitely one of those cases of spare parts lying around. Very, very strange to see a Safe Flex flywheel from 1985. You occasionally see them from fans from 1984, but 85 is definitely very strange. So that flywheel was just probably sitting in a parts bin somewhere. So November 2nd, 1985, and it was the 456th fan made that day. Start off on low. Now, it was pretty interesting how I got this. So the listing was an antique white Delta 1. Not a Delta 2, just a Delta. And it was about an hour and a half away from me. And I decided to go get it. Well, when I go to this lady's house, there is no Delta to be found. That was in a listing picture. Instead, it was this, Delta 2. So I go up to her and I say, well, where's the fan that was in the listing? And she insisted that this was it. And I said, no, it's not. But she kept insisting it was, and I said, who took the picture? And then she started saying, oh, my niece took the picture. And I don't know what happened or where that picture came from, but she was obviously lying quite a bit. So I really don't know where that picture came from. So that Delta 1 is a total mystery. Also, what ended up coming with this deal is that Zephyr all the way over there. Antique white and antique brass with the bell canopy. That one's from 1980. But that has a much bigger story, because that actually wasn't for sale. But when I get the video done for that fan, I will explain how I got that one. But it's from the same person. Here's medium on this one. But explaining that Zephyr and Delta 2 video is a bit too much. And that'll have its own video, of course. But I still have no idea where the Delta 1 is or was. That one is just a total mystery. I was on her case about it for a while. That is the water heater in the background. There's high speed. The bearings are original and they're almost completely silent. They're pretty much silent. reverse does work. Here it goes in reverse. Well, that's all I have here for this 1985 Casablanca Delta II in antique white.